I am Professor R.S. Pagar, study in chemistry, JMD Arts, BW Commerce and Science College, Chinnar. Now this TYBC in Industrial Chemistry, chapter number 3, study of the basic chemicals and their manufacturing process and their physicochemical principle. Now the last time I discussed about the sulfuric acid, their manufacture, about the contact process I discussed in the earlier lectures. Now this lecture is having what are the physicochemical principles in the contact process. The sulfuric acid is manufacturing contact process, the most typical step in the conversion of the sulfur dioxide to the sulfur trioxide. So SO2 containing 2 volume is there, O2 containing 1 volume is there, SO3 is containing 2 volume is there. So remember in the starting materials that have to be 3 volumes and product of the reaction is obtained, 2 volume is there in presence of catalyst is to be there in vanadium pentoxide, that also the main. Now this reaction, it containing, there is a volume of the reactant is more than product, so this reaction is to be formation of high pressures. This reaction is to be more favored in order to obtain the good yield of the reaction, and these reactions it containing to increase the concentration of the SO2 and O2, then always the concentration of the SO3 that also have to be increased. Now this reaction is the exothermic reaction, but it is to be like to be favored not in higher temperature, not in more lower temperature, but it is the optimum temperature. This reaction have to be more favored by using in the catalyst is there. To increase the concentration of the catalyst, rate of the reaction is also have to be increased. What about the temperature is there? SO2 is converted to SO3. This is the percentage of the SO3 is to be obtained by the atmospheric pressure, the atmosphere. So they are obtained like this. So 434 is that is to be standard condition is to be maintained. Temperature is near about, you consider in the say the 99% yield is to be obtained, temperature is near about 435 degrees Celsius. Now this is, when you increase the temperature, the yield of the reaction is to be decreased. So this is the optimum condition have to be there. Now we consider that have to be obtained in SO3 is to be converted in the SO3. So that is this reaction is near about the 500 degrees Celsius. It is the 40 times this reaction have to be more fast. But you remember in the below of that 550 degrees Celsius, this there in the reversible reaction takes place, and you have to like to obtain the product of the reaction. This is to be less irreversible products that will be obtained by the temperature is to be higher temperature, but the optimum temperature is the 450 degree, around 450 you have to obtain the good yield of this reaction. I already discussed what about the effect of the pressure is there according to the Lee-Chatterley's principles. When the volume of the reactant is more than the products, so you have to obtain the good yield is there, and then you are applying the higher pressure. Pressure is to be increased in slowly about the 1.5 to 1.7 atmosphere. This is the optimum pressure, not in more higher, not in lower, and you have to get the good yield of that product is to be obtained, and this is the SO3 is to be obtained by the high pressure that should be there according to the Lee-Chatterley principle is there, and law of mass action. This will be get the good yield of the reaction. Concentration is I already discussed. When concentration of the SO2 and O2 have to be increased, automatically the concentration of the SO3 is also have to be increased. So this composition is near about 8% SO2, 10% of the O2, then you have to obtain the good yield of the SO3 is there. That proportion is, that should be 3:1 by their volume, and you get the 2 volume of the SO3 is to be obtained, by this more successful chemical reaction takes place. Catalyst I also discuss in the vanadium pentoxide, platinum catalyst is to be there. And generally, we also compare by their platinum and vanadium pentoxides, that also the comparison is there. When both of the catalyst is to be more suitable, but platinum is to be really more costly. It is the handling is also more difficult, as well as this is the some loss of the platinum is takes place for each and every time, as well as by the purification of that platinum is also difficult. These are some types of the disadvantages over the, you remember, as vanadium pentoxide. But V2O5, it is to be most important catalyst. It is very efficient and it gives a high conversion efficiency, which is maintained for the longer time, about 20 years. So considering the 1 grams of the V2O5, suppose you take, this quantity have to be remains to be more active up to the 20 years. That is a very longer period is there, and this is also the cost is to be so also like to be less, as well as its handling is also very simple and it is not poisoning. This is most important advantages of the vanadium pentoxide is there. It is no poisoning of the catalyst is there. So this the gases needed not to be purified as in the case of the platinum. So remember these some types of the advantages over the platinum is the catalyst. Sometimes you also ask in the examination how the vanadium is to be more advantageous as compared to the platinum is there. These are the, but today the industry have to be always preferred vanadium pentoxide is very good and efficient catalyst is there. Very longer time it has to be there use and you get the good yield are there. What are the important uses of the sulfuric acid? Sulfuric acid is extensively used in laboratory and in industry. You also know that sulfuric acid is to be a very important chemical is there. Common chemicals are there in the industries, laboratories, as some types of the another chemicals you supposed to be prepared, some types of the explosive which is to be there, some types of the that is the nitrogen compounds that have to be prepared by sulfuric acid by the nitration reaction is to be there. Some of the like in nitrobenzene, nitrotoluene, well as trinitrocellulose, nitroglycerin, trinitrophenol. These are the some types of the chemicals you have to prepare with help of the sulfuric acid. It is also used as a catalyst in the hydrating agent in esterification reaction. When alcohol and acid is to be reacted to each other to formation of the ester. And that time the sulfuric acid is one of the very good role is there. It has to be to donating the protons by this reaction. Protonation takes place, and then is the removal of the waters, and you also obtain the product is to be ester formation is to be there, as well as some of the fertilizers, superphosphate, as well as lime, triple superphosphate, ammonium sulfate. In the fertilizer industries also sulfuric acid is very important chemicals. Remember that have to be used, and this way this is the more and more important of the sulfuric acid today that have to be used. And you also ask in examination what are the case of the sulfuric acid is there in our laboratories. Sulfuric acid is the manufactured commercially. They are about the 36 normal. Like the strong normality is there. You can suppose to dilute and prepare the different dilution of the sulfuric acid, 1 normal, 2 normal, 10 normal, 10 normal, 0.1 normal. These types of the normality supposed to be used to prepare. You suppose you want whatever the as well as number of the reagents is dilute sulfuric acid, concentrate sulfuric acid. This has to be used by different purpose in our laboratory. You supposed to be like to dilute it by the sulfuric acid is there. So this acid is very important commercially. Ask in examination what about the physicochemical principle is there. So you can always discuss by this chemical reaction with respect of the pressure, with respect of the concentration, with respect of the there is a temperature, and with respect of the catalyst. These are the 4 factors are there are affected by the production of the sulfur trioxide is converted in the sulfuric acid, all the four factors to be maintained by their standard is to be there, then you obtain the good quality of the sulfuric acid is to be there. This way, this is the manufacturing process. And what about the physicochemical principle used in the industries to the preparation of by the sulfuric acid is to be there. Next time we'll discuss what about the nitric acid is to be formed, what about the physicochemical principle and manufacturing process.